All right, let's jump right in. When you're running any kind of industrial operation, you know that performance, real performance, comes down to the smallest of details. Today, we're going to focus on one tiny component that can literally make or break your entire system. And we'll dig into what it takes to find the absolute best one in a major industrial hub like Mumbai. So let me just ask you this straight up. If you're managing an industrial pump system, what's that one thing, that recurring headache that causes the most problems, the most downtime? You might think it's the motor or maybe the casing, but the real answer might surprise you.
Believe it or not, it's this. It's a part that's often smaller than your own hand. Kind of ironic, isn't it? That something so small can be the source of such huge, expensive operational problems. And this tiny, absolutely crucial part is, of course,
the mechanical seal. The source material calls it the heart of your pump system, and honestly, that's the perfect way to think about it. Its job sounds simple, right? Just prevent leaks and maintain pressure. And when it works, you forget it's even there. But oh man, when it fails, everything just grinds to a halt. And that failure, it's not just a little drip or a simple mechanical fix. No, it's a serious business cost. Let's really look at what that means, what it actually costs you. This slide lays out the domino effect perfectly. It all starts with one single low-quality seal failing. That immediately leads to system leaks, which, of course, drives up your maintenance costs. Next thing you know, you're dealing with unexpected pump downtime, and the final result? A massive drop in your overall efficiency. It's just this vicious and very expensive cycle. So the big question is, how do you break that cycle? How do you stop those dominoes from falling? Well, if you're operating in or around Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, or Thane, there's a really clear approach to solving this.
Yeah, the source material points directly to one company that has basically built its entire reputation on crushing this exact problem: microseals. So for the rest of this, let's use them as a case study to see how it's done right.
So who are these guys? Well, for starters, they're an ISO-certified manufacturer and supplier, and they're laser-focused on those key industrial areas around Mumbai. Their whole reputation is built on quality and performance. The key thing to get here is they're not some generic parts supplier. They live and breathe this one critical component.
But how do they actually do it? What makes their seals any different from the ones that start that whole cascade of failure we just talked about? Well, it all comes down to a core philosophy: engineering for zero failure.
Check out this direct quote from the company. This is their promise. Once you install it, you won't face leakage issues again. Wow, that is a bold statement. So the obvious question is, how in the world can they back that up?
It really comes down to this three-part system. First, extreme precision engineering. We're talking about a perfect fit with zero gaps. It's like it was born as part of the pump. Second, they use advanced CNC manufacturing, which guarantees that every single seal that comes off the line is identical and perfect. And finally, and this is so important, 100% pre-delivery testing. Every single seal gets verified under real-world conditions before it ever leaves their facility. So when you put it all together, side by side, the contrast is it's night and day. On one side, you've got your conventional seals with all the usual problems: the leaks, the high costs, the constant risk of failure. And on the other side, you have the goal, what the source calls lifetime leak-free performance, which really just means less maintenance and reliability you can actually count on.
But here's the thing. The value doesn't actually stop with the part itself. A superior product is fantastic, but in the industrial world, service and support are just as critical, right?
And this is where they really try to seal the deal, pardon the pun. They've built a fast, reliable delivery system because they know that for you, downtime is money. Their customer support is described as feeling like an extension of your own team, like having an expert on speed dial. And they offer a whole range of solutions, so they're basically a one-stop shop for any sealing need you could have.
So this tagline really wraps up their entire philosophy perfectly, where precision meets performance. It's all about combining that top-tier engineering with the serious commitment to delivering results in the real world.
So that brings us to the final thought here. After seeing the true cost of a bad seal and the incredible benefits of a precision-engineered one, you realize the question isn't just about a single part anymore. It's really about the reliability of your entire operation. So the real question is, are you ready to upgrade your system's most critical component?